you a new startup to Denver, Colorado, or are you a mom and pop store that's been in business for hundreds of years? In either case, you're going to need a new brand rollout for this new area that you're expanding into and the new people that are here. Do you wish you could find all that in one place? A new sign, new printing pieces, magnets, pens, all of your products can be bought in one location efficiently and precisely. You know that if you don't, everybody else is, and you're going to be left in the dust with all these new companies rolling into town. What if you could work with one company, Calla Creative Ink, where we can make your business bloom? Give us a call today. Our number is 720-612-1376.